Hello, my friends. I'm Siddharth Somani, and today I brought a very exciting topic for all of you today. So let's begin. Chapter 1: Force and Motion. Physics. Physics is fun. Say the bird went. So, what is motion and rest? If you know, please mention in the comments. And what I have, please see if you knew the same. Okay, so let's begin. Motion is the change of the position of a body over a period of time with respect to a stationary object. So see, motion is the change of a position of body. So it means like when you're running for a race or a marathon, running to catch a bus, etc. Over a period of time, it's a key word. Over a period of time, it means that in a specific period of time you were running or you were changing your position with respect to stationary object. So what is in this case stationary does not mean the pen and pencil which we use in school and offices, but here the stationary object means the object which is at rest. Okay, so what is rest? If the position of a body does not change over a period of time, it is said to be at rest. Okay, so motion and rest are just vice versa of each other. See this. Wow. Rest and motion. So in this motion, a man is running, a bird is flying, another bird is flying. But when it is at rest, a tree is standing, which is at a stationary phase, means it's not moving at all. A house, a glass tube, and also a aeroplane tower. So, what are the types of motion? There are 4 types of motion. If you know them, please write it in the comment box. Swivel, swivel, swivel. Okay, so the first type is translatory motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, and vibratory motion. So don't worry, I'll explain you all these 4 types of motion in the next slides. See, translatory motion. What is translatory motion? A motion in which every part of the body moves to the same distance in the same interval of time is known as translatory motion. So a motion in which every part of the body, so not only hands or legs, your whole body is moving in the same distance and a specific in the same interval of time is known as translatory motion. So there are 2 types of translatory motion, rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. So translatory motion is divided into rectilinear and curvilinear. I'll just explain rectilinear motion. The movement of a body in a straight line is known as a rectilinear motion. For example, a bird flying, a motion of an apple falling from a tree, a car moving on a straight road, etc. And curvilinear motion is a bit different. If a body moves along a curved path, then it is said to have undergone curvilinear motion. So it just means, for example, a ball hit by a cricketer and going for a 6, or a javelin thrown by an athlete, etc. Now here we have circulatory motion. So what is circulatory motion? The motion of a body in a circular path around a fixed point or a fixed axis is called circular motion. There are 2 types of circular motions, rotation and revolving. So rotation means that the body moves around a fixed point without changing its position. It is said to be undergone rotating or spinning. Rotating means the earth rotates around its axis. And what does revolving mean? Revolving means if a body moves around a fixed point, a fixed point by changing its position, it is said to have gone undergone revolving. For example, the planets revolve around the sun. See this. This example is of rotation. Sorry, revolution. Sorry, rotation. Correct me if I said wrong in the comment section. Oh, the curtains are opening up for oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? Oscillatory motion is the back and the forth motion of a body that takes place about a mean position or a fixed point is called oscillatory motion. It is also known as periodic motion. For example, a motion of a simple pendulum or a swing, the motion of a piston of an engine. Oh, how can I forget this example? A swing in a park. See, this is an example of a simple pendulum. This is the mean position. Here is the extreme points. Cromwell. Next we have, last but not the least, vibratory motion. A motion in which a part of a body undergoes oscillatory motion and the remaining is at rest is called vibratory motion. I'll repeat. A motion in which a part of a body undergoes oscillatory motion and the remaining is at rest is called a vibratory motion. For example, a string like this or the strings of a guitar for the musicians and the drums. Subscribe for part 2. So I've just shown you the examples of motion. But subscribe, like and share this video so I can make the part 2 and encourage me so I can tell you more about motion. Thank you for watching the video. I am Siddharth Somani signing off from the channel Siddharth Somani.